Last week, Nora told you that AI is the community's topic of the month for April. Because as I like to say, you can't spell April without AI. But the news got even better this week, because you can now participate in the AI Developer Challenge. Take 2 SAP AI offerings and build an actionable business use case, which basically means a cool business app. You can use SAP Process Automation, which includes robotic process automation and workflows, or SAP Conversational AI chatbots, or one of several SAP AI business services like business entity recognition, or service ticket intelligence, or a few more. You have until May 18, about 6 weeks, to submit your entry, and in June, the winners will be announced. And they'll win things like, but not exactly, SAP shirts, SAP office supplies, maybe there'll be cups, who knows.
These are only for illustration purposes. The exact prices will be determined later. Void where prohibited.
In the description, I'll leave a link to all the rules, regulations, and of course, about the prizes. So don't forget to enter, and good luck.
Want to learn and master ABAP? Join Exercism's ABAP track for access to 24 exercises with automatic analysis of your code and personal mentoring, all which is 100% free. Now, if you missed the launch party, watch the live stream where we talk to the team behind this as they help you understand more about how ABAP Exercism work. Don't forget to also check out the blog post from Lars Vime, as well as where he shares examples of the exercises.
Hi everyone. Version 1.0 of the UI5 Inspector is now available in the Chrome Web Store. It's an open source DevTools extension that allows you to inspect and debug UI5-based applications. It allows you to analyze the UI5 controls after they've been rendered in the browser. And it also helps you to inspect the models that are bound to each control. It's available in all Chromium-based browsers and also in Firefox, so go check it out.
We have 2 items for you this week in the area of database and analytics. First, let's talk about current and upcoming Open SAP courses in this area. Starting on April 19th and running through June 1st, Open SAP will be offering the SAP Analytics Cloud Become an Augmented BI Expert course. In this course, you will learn about SAP Analytics Cloud, but with a focus on augmented business intelligence topics, such as data modeling, story creation and analysis, augmented analytics, and analytic applications, becoming an augmented BI expert along the way. And also a reminder that the Ride the SAP HANA Wave Fundamentals and Insights into Cloud Databases course is currently running through the end of April as well. It's not too late to jump in and catch up on all the things SAP HANA Cloud thanks to this course. And finally, a little personal promotion, as I'd like to point out a blog post series I've been publishing this week that covers all the various HANA tooling and approaches for JavaScript developers. We've looked at a variety of Node.js modules, and techniques like async await, and even how the SAP Cloud Application Programming Model and XSJS can fit in there as well. If interested, check out the links in the show description as always.